How to use a compass in Apple Maps. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can use the compass in your Apple Maps. Apple Maps is a very useful application that provides us with various options. One of them is the use of a compass. This is very useful because if you are in an environment you don't know, your phone can track the sides of the world and move its angle around the sides of the world at every change of position. How can we pull this off? All that is required is to open Apple Maps. When the maps have opened, try to turn around and as you can see, the maps are fixed, i.e. they do not track your movements. We can enable this by simply tapping on the location icon located in the upper right corner. When you find it, tap on it. A compass will appear under it, which means that we have successfully activated the option. Now try to rotate the phone around its axis. As you can see, the maps are now following our movements. This can help with orientation in space and prevent the possibility of getting lost somewhere. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more maps tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.